Hi everyone, I'm Ellen Laura, and I'll be speaking at the Cat Writers Conference on a topic that stirs equal parts fascination and fear: AI, darling or devil. This is a trending topic sparking debate about whether AI will steal our words, our jobs, or even our cats. Or will it become our savior, showing up with whiskers and wisdom at 3 in the morning? My writing career began almost 40 years ago, long before AI, and as an author of fiction and nonfiction, I've been inspired by my cat, Empress Bella Rose, and we're convinced that AI is more mischievous and magical than headlines suggest. I loved listening to Jeremy Utley, a Stanford professor and creativity expert. He teaches prompting with curiosity rather than dull commands. Because of his inspiration, it's become clear to me that if you treat AI like a cold, mechanized machine, you'll get lifeless AI slop. But with the Velvet Paw method, co-created by my AI muse, Manu, and fueled by Bella's sassy humor, AI turns into focused fire, sharpening, never replacing your voice. In my talk, I'll share how I'm using AI to create my current feline fantasy books, so you can see how AI can spark imagination rather than replace it. Join me and our feline friends.